Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to do the textual exercises of Hayavata poem. First let us see the question and answers of this poem. First question, who was Hayavata? Hayavata was a young little red Indian boy. Second question, who was Nokomis? Answer, Nokomis was Hayavata's old grandmother. Third question, what did he learn about the birds? Hayavata learned the language of the birds. Due to this, he learned many things about birds, such as their names and secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hide themselves in winter. Fourth question, what secrets did he learn about beasts? Hayavata learned the language of beasts. Due to this, he learned many things about the beasts, such as their names and secrets, how beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, and why was the rabbit so timid. These are the question and answers from this poem. Next, see, let us talk. Do you think that Hayavata liked learning new language? Answer, yes, Hayavata liked learning new language. Second one, Hayavata called the birds chicken and beasts brothers. What do you think this shows? This shows that Hayavata was kind and loving towards birds and beasts. He considered them his family members. Do birds have secrets? Yes, birds do have secrets. Now, where do the following live? Birds live in nests. Rabbits live in burrows. Beavers live in lodges made in ponds. Describe Hayavata, his home, and his friends in 10 lines. Hayavata was a young little red Indian boy. He used to live with his grandmother called Nokomis. He learned the different languages of birds and beasts. He was kind and loving by nature. He lived in wigwam. It was a dome-shaped hut made by fastening mats, skins or bark over a framework of poles. He called the birds Hayavata's chickens. Among all the beasts, beavers, squirrels, reindeer and rabbit were his best friends. Hayavata used to talk to the birds and animals whenever they met. He came to know their names and all their secrets. Hayavata used to call beasts his brother. What did Hayavata love? Hayavata loved birds and animals. Now match A and B and write the complete sentences below. In column A it is given whenever, and in column B it is given I go, I have friends, whoever, I am hungry, I eat, wherever comes first wins. Answers, whenever I am hungry, I eat. Second one, whoever comes first wins. Third one, wherever I go, I have friends. Next, complete. Some words have similar sounds but different meanings. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. The bird sits on a bough. The squirrel has a long tail, tail, tail. I have to leave at 2, two. The sum is right, right. I can dash the bird's song, here. Do you dash a secret, no. The king sits on the throne, throne. He is our school principal, principal. Children, you know what are these such type of words are called? Homophones. Okay? These are the textual exercises of the Hayavata poem. You complete writing in the notebook and textbook and learn it properly. Thank you.